Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 8 question answers, and today we will discuss about true false and fill in the blanks. Yesterday we had discussed about definitions, that is words to remember, and choose the correct answer, multiple choice questions. Now today we will discuss from quick assignment true false and fill in the blank. So let's begin. Question number A from quick assignment. Write T for true and F for false against the given statements. So number 1, we cannot feel air but we can see it. Yes, that is false. We can feel air but we cannot see it. This is the correct statement. So here is, this statement is false, that we cannot feel air but we can see it. We cannot see air. So this is a false statement. Number 2, the change in weather takes place in stratosphere. No, the change in weather takes place in troposphere, not stratosphere. So this is also false. Next, water from wells and rivers is fit for consumption. No, this is also a false statement. They are not fit for consumption. We have to purify it, like boiling, distillation, or chlorination we can use, but this is not fit for consumption. This is also false. Number 4, the liquid moves up in the syringe due to humidity. This is also a false statement. Humidity means amount of water vapor present in the air. But here this will happen, that is liquid moves up in the syringe due to air pressure, not because of humidity. Next question, chalk is an insoluble impurity. Yes, this is true. Chalk is not properly soluble in water. Okay, so it is insoluble. If you mix chalk and allow the water to don't disturb the water for some time, the chalks will get settled down at the bottom. So chalk is an insoluble impurity. Next question, soluble impurities in water can be removed by evaporation. Yes, that is also true. Soluble impurities can be removed by evaporation. So next question is number B, fill in the blanks. So here number 1, a fire cannot be lighted if there is no dash. So we perform that activity, that fire or burning is not possible if there is no air. Air should be present for the burning purpose, that is oxygen. Number 2, the air becomes dash as we go dash. The answer is the air becomes thin as we go higher. The air becomes thin as we go higher. Next question number 3, contamination of atmosphere cause dash pollution. Contamination of atmosphere cause dash pollution. The answer is air pollution. The answer is air pollution. Next question, dash impurities are left behind after evaporation. The answer is soluble impurities are left behind after evaporation. Next question number 5, dash water is widely used in injections and medicines. The answer is distilled water. Distilled water. Next question, dash travels through air. The answer is sound travels through air. Sound travels through air. So class, these are the question answers from quick assignment. I hope you are able to understand these question answers well. If any problem, ask me. I will help you, class. Read the book again and again. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.